Hey guys, it's Rachel with the Certified Funnel Builders, and today we're going to be going over how to collect information from your customer. Um, this can be on ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels 2.0, or any other website builder, and get it out of ClickFunnels specifically. So if you have experience within ClickFunnels, something you might know is that it is super easy to collect information like their name, their email. Honestly, you can do any sort of custom field, but once you actually go about exporting the information out of ClickFunnels, it gets pretty complicated and there's a few things that you can't do. So this is a simple trick and workaround uh, to get, like if you needed your customers' shipping information, this would be a good way to do it. And you can, of course, go through Zapier and use Zapier to get the information like their address, their name, their email, anything else you would want to know out. It just still doesn't look super pretty when you do it, so I prefer to do it this way. And the way I'm going to be showing you guys today is I'm going to be using Google Docs and Google Forms to do this. So we have a course that we've built, and um, as a part of people entering the course, we need to know a lot of information from them. Different things such as their name, the type of business they have. We even asked if they need like check boxes off to make sure they do some things for us. But we wanted to be able to get all their information out. So the way I did this is I went in, and I'll show you guys. I went into my Google form, and I built out a form in here asking all the things I wanted to know. So I wanted to know their full name, their email address, their company name, all sorts of things, as you can see, and then a bunch of checklists that they need to check off that they've done. Now, I came in, I'm going to go back into um, this editor right here, and you can do this on any page. So if you have like a contact page, you can just go to that page, and simply all we're going to do is embed a little bit of code onto the page, and then this form's going to populate on the page. So I'll show you guys real quick. All right. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is I've actually already done it, so I'm just going to go over it with you guys. So what you would do is you would need to add an element, and you would need to add a custom GS HTML element, and that's what I have right here. So then when you click on this, and you can click Open Code Editor. Now, as you can see, I have an iframe code in here with a link to my Google form. Now I'm going to drop in the comments this URL that is helpful for making iframes. It starts with super easy iframes, and then it gets more complex here. Let's see. All right, see, like this is the most simple iframe ever. And then if you want to get more complex and add dimensions and backgrounds and stuff like that, you can go down further and get into that. But I just find this super helpful, even on the basic ones. So, as you can see, all I did was I got that iframe, I plugged in my URL, I put in the dimensions because I wanted it to fit in this box right here, and then I saved it on up. And let's take a preview. Let's look at this real quick. Oh, okay. Hang on. I need to log in real quick, and then I will be able to show you guys. All right, here we go. I got logged in, so now you guys can see it. This is what the form looks like right here, guys. So all I had to do was put that little code in, and now people can go in here and answer all their questions. And once they are answered, I will be able to go into my Google Doc and come look at the responses and see them all right here instead of, I don't know if you're familiar with it, but in ClickFunnels, you just have to scroll and scroll and scroll and look really closely because everything's just bundled together, and it's just a little bit harder to find the things you need. Um, so this is just a simple, easy workaround on how to get information from your customers within ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels 2.0. You can do this on any website builder as well. So it's kind of useful for everything. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, as well as we have something super big coming up next week. This is going to help all you guys with your launches and just making sure things don't go wrong and getting rid of those headaches that you don't need to have. So stay tuned and keep checking out the comments, guys. All right, talk to you soon.